The market crashed, and John lost everything in just one day. How could such a small mistake bring him to tears? Every trader dreams of making big money, right? But what happens when that dream shatters? John felt like he was drowning in his own sweat. He thought about quitting the game for good. Why did it have to be so painful? His family's future was hanging by a thread now. How do you move on after something like this? Trading is all about making quick decisions, but losing can feel slow and agonizing. Is there any way to find peace again? Every time he looked at his trading screen, fear gripped him tighter. What if it happens again? Why does the market seem so unpredictable? John's hands trembled as he typed in a trade. Could this be the end of his career? He remembered the times he stayed up all night studying charts. Was all that work for nothing? People told him to keep calm, but how could he? How many others are suffering like him right now? Maybe there is hope if you let go and start anew. What would it take for John to reset mentally? In 2008, millions lost their savings in a financial crash that felt like a personal tragedy. How could something so unpredictable cause such deep sorrow? Trading is like gambling, high stakes, high risk, big emotions at play. A trader named Alex watched his investments vanish overnight, leaving him in a dark place. He could not sleep, barely ate, and felt worthless every morning. Alex wondered if he was the only one suffering from post-trade depression. Many traders experience this same struggle, but do not talk about it openly. Could it be that losing money is more psychologically damaging than winning? Experts say post-trade depression shares symptoms with clinical depression: withdrawal, sadness, lack of interest in one's pleasurable activities. A financial advisor helped Alex understand the psychological impact better. Alex learned he was not alone. Many traders go through this after a big loss. The trading community often hides its struggles, fearing judgment or weakness. But sharing stories can help others who might be suffering silently. Support groups started forming online, offering a safe space to vent and learn from each other's experiences. One trader shared her story. "I felt like I had failed at everything." Alex listened, empathizing deeply with the woman's words. He realized he needed to reset his mental state. Step back from trading for a while. Taking a break can help clear your mind and regain perspective. Alex decided to take 6 months off, focusing on hobbies and relationships. During this time, he started journaling about his feelings, writing down positive moments each day. This helped him see that life continued even without trading. He joined local clubs and volunteered, finding new passions outside of finance. By the end of his break, Alex felt stronger mentally. Trading became less about winning or losing money and more about skill development. Now, when faced with losses, he handles them better, learning from each experience. Alex's journey shows that post-trade depression is real but manageable with support and self-care. The stock market crashed, leaving traders reeling in shock. How do you pick yourself up after losing everything? Traders face their darkest days, questioning their futures. One trader lost 100,000 in a single day. Her story is unforgettable. Fear gripped the room as silence filled with tension and anxiety. Why did things go so wrong for some traders? They worked hard but still hit rock bottom. It's not just luck. Every win felt hollow after such a big loss. The market moves, but emotions linger long after. Can you ever fully recover from a financial wipeout? Trading is like a roller coaster, up and down without warning. How do traders handle the mental weight of failure? Some turn to self-doubt, others find strength in community support. Losing money is not just about finance, it's personal. What makes someone bounce back from such trauma? Is it just about time passing, or is there more to reset mentally? Many traders struggle with depression after big losses. How can we help them navigate through this tough period? The key might be in understanding our own emotions better. Support groups and therapy offer hope for recovery. But the real challenge lies in changing your mindset. New strategies and tools emerge, offering ways to heal. One trader found peace by focusing on what she could control. Her journey shows there is always a way forward, no matter how hard. Could you face your losses with more resilience next time? The road back from post-trade depression is long but possible. The markets crashed on Black Monday, 1987, leaving millions shattered. How do you pick yourself up after losing everything? Many traders suffer in silence, feeling lost and alone. Is there a way to reset your mind and start anew? Financial losses hit harder when the future seems uncertain. Do you blame yourself or others for what happened? A financial setback can feel like an identity crisis. How many nights did you lie awake thinking about it? The feeling of post-trade depression is real, more common than you think. You thought trading was a game, but now it feels like a nightmare. Fear grips you as you fear making the same mistake again. Could you have done something differently to avoid the loss? Some turn to hobbies or exercise to ease their minds. Others seek support from friends who understand what they are going through. Trading can be addictive, but recovery is possible with the right steps. Financial advisors recommend setting small goals and sticking to them. How do you define success after such a big failure? Maybe finding new ways to invest or save can help heal old wounds. Remember, every loss teaches something valuable if we let it. Can you find a silver lining in this dark cloud of defeat? Sometimes, the hardest lessons are learned not from winning but losing. What will your next move be after this setback? The financial markets can be cruel masters. Did you know millions face post-trade depression after a loss? How do they cope? Trading used to bring excitement. Now it feels like losing everything. A trader named Mike lost big on Black Monday. Mike could not sleep. Dreams were filled with crashes and failures. Was this his new reality? His friends noticed changes. Mike went from upbeat to withdrawn, struggling to look at charts again. Traders call it the slump. It hits after a major loss. Can you relate? Have you ever felt like your world was crashing down? Mike tried everything: therapy, meditation, even hitting the gym. But nothing seemed to work. In the financial world, recovery is not just emotional, it's mental. How do we reset our minds? After such blows, some traders find solace in hobbies like painting or playing guitar. Maybe finding joy outside trading helps. Mike read books on resilience and mental strength. He started writing journal entries about his thoughts. Writing helped Mike see things differently. Could penning down feelings change everything? Financial experts say small steps are key. Gradual recovery, not an instant fix. Trading is like a roller coaster, up and down. But every fall teaches something valuable. Mike's journey shows we all have our breaking points. Are you ready to face yours? How long do you think it takes to recover from a big loss in trading? Weeks, months, years. In the end, Mike found hope through small victories. Every trade counted, even the losses taught lessons. What if every setback was just a step forward? Would that change how you see your failures now? The stock market crash felt like a punch in the gut. Losses piled up day after day. What was once a promising investment turned into a nightmare. How could everyone else be so calm while you were drowning? A colleague smiled confidently at the trading board, while your hands shook with fear. Why did this happen to you? You studied the market. Made careful choice show could it all fall apart? Every night you stared at the empty wall. What was wrong with you that you could not handle a little loss? Friends tried to help, but they did not understand. Just move on, they said. Easy words that cut deep. Could this feeling ever go away? You wondered if you would always be haunted by the market's cruel dance. Maybe it was time for a change. A new job, maybe. Or perhaps just a break from all this stress. But what about the next big opportunity? Could you trust your instincts again? You remembered the advice, losses are a part of life. But how do you find peace when the pain feels so raw? Maybe it was time to seek help, talk to someone who understood. A therapist might offer the tools to heal. Would therapy work for you? Or would you always be haunted by past mistakes? The idea of starting over felt daunting, but maybe, just maybe, a fresh start could bring new hope. Could this journey lead to personal growth? You wondered if resilience was something that could be learned. If you found this valuable, do not forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. If you are short on time, the short video summary is available in the related section.